I am back with another day, another video. Artificial insemination. AI, in animals, is a process of assisted reproduction that involves introducing semen into the reproductive tract of a female animal using methods other than natural mating. The process is commonly used in livestock, such as cattle, sheep, pigs, and horses, as well as in some domesticated pets, such as dogs and cats. The process of artificial insemination in animals is similar to that of humans, but there are some differences due to the different anatomical structures and reproductive cycles of animals. Here is a general overview of the process of artificial insemination in animals. Sperm collection. The sperm for artificial insemination in animals can be collected from a male animal through various methods, including electroejaculation, manual stimulation, or collection using an artificial vagina. Sperm evaluation. Once the sperm is collected, it is evaluated for its quality and concentration. This can involve assessing the motility, morphology, and concentration of the sperm. Semen processing. The collected semen may be processed to remove any contaminants or debris, and the sperm may be concentrated to increase the number of viable sperm in the insemination dose. Insemination. The sperm is then deposited into the reproductive tract of the female animal using various methods, depending on the species. This can involve inserting a catheter through the cervix, using a specialized instrument to deposit the semen directly into the uterus or oviduct, or using a laparoscopic procedure to deposit the semen directly into the reproductive tract. Waiting period. After the insemination, the female animal will need to rest for a period of time to allow the sperm to reach the egg and for fertilization to occur. Overall, artificial insemination in animals can help to increase the genetic quality of livestock and improve breeding outcomes. The process is often less expensive and less risky than natural mating and can also reduce the risk of disease transmission between animals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.